Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are making another video on how to make a wig without a lace closure. So in this video I'm going to try out a new method, but still the same way I normally do the wig, just a little easy and more understandable. I'm going to be using a different wig cap this time, different from the one I normally use. As you can see, this one comes with clips on it, which is really good.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
This is the hair I'm going to be using. It's called Number Gold Premium Synthetic Hair. It comes in 6 bundles inside, and you only need 1 packet to finish your hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and start sewing down the hair using my needle and thread. After installing the hair, now it's time to close this part right here. I'm going to be using hot glue gun to close this part. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can also use your bonding to close the part. While closing this part, make sure you install the hair very close to each other. That way you don't have any see-through or any space in between. After that, I'm going to use my comb to separate the hair in the middle area because it's where I'm going to create my parts. Now to define the part very well, I'm going to be using this nail cutter. If you don't have this, you can use your scissors. If you want to get a very clean and smooth part, I'll advise you use this nail cutter because it's very easy in defining the part. Lastly, to define the part and make it look more like lace closure, I'm going to use this Eveline concealer. So this is all for this video, and I hope you find it helpful. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.